Porter Cable 20, Volt Max Cordless Drill Driver Kit, in-depth review. If you're in the market for a reliable, powerful, and user-friendly cordless drill, the Porter Cable 20, Volt Max Cordless Drill Driver Kit deserves your attention. Before we dive deep into its features, I want to let you know that you can check the current price and any available discounts by clicking the link in the description below. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a homeowner tackling weekend projects, or even a professional needing a dependable secondary drill, this tool promises performance without breaking the bank. Now, let's get into this detailed review, where we'll break down its key features, real-world performance, pros and cons, and how it compares to similar drills on the market. By the end, you'll know whether this is the right drill for your needs, and if it's worth your hard-earned money. Key features and benefits: brushless motor for longer runtime and durability. Unlike traditional brushed motors, this drill features a brushless motor, which provides 50% more runtime and longer tool life. Why does this matter? Less battery swapping during big projects. More efficient power delivery, meaning less heat buildup and longer motor lifespan. Better performance under heavy loads. No sudden stalls when drilling through tough materials. Compared to brushed motor drills, many budget-friendly cordless drills still use brushed motors, which wear out faster and drain batteries quicker. The Porter Cable's brushless design means fewer replacements and better long-term value. Now, if you're wondering how actual users feel about this drill's performance, I've got good news. You can click the link in the description to read verified buyer reviews and see how it holds up in real-world use. High power and speed, 370 MWO, 1-800 RPM, with 370 max watts out, MWO, and a 2-speed transmission, 0 to 550 RPM. This drill handles wood drilling up to 1 1/2 inch, metal drilling up to 3/8 inch, fastening screws, even long deck screws. How does this solve your problem? No need for multiple tools. One drill for drilling and driving. Faster drilling in soft materials, like drywall or plywood. More torque for stubborn screws or dense wood. 1/2-inch keyless ratcheting chuck, secure bit retention. A keyless chuck means no fumbling for a chuck key, and the ratcheting mechanism ensures a tighter grip on bits. But what about the negative review mentioning bit slippage? Some users report bits spinning or getting stuck. Here's how to prevent that. Clean the chuck jaws regularly. Dust can reduce grip. Insert bits fully before tightening. Avoid over-tightening, which can make bits hard to remove. Compact and lightweight. 3.3 pounds, 7.2-inch length. Weighing just 3.3 pounds and with a 7.2-inch head length, this drill fits in tight spaces, like between studs or inside cabinets. Who benefits most? Electricians and plumbers working in confined areas. Homeowners assembling furniture or installing shelves. Ergonomic design and user-friendly features. Soft grip handle reduces fatigue. LED work light illuminates dark spaces. Battery charge indicator, though you must press a button to check. The downside? The battery indicator isn't always intuitive, as mentioned in the negative review. Solution: check the manual for proper usage. Plug the battery into the charger for a more accurate reading. Potential downsides and fixes: bit retention issues. Some users report bits slipping or getting stuck. Fix: use high-quality bits. Cheap ones can slip. Clean the chuck regularly. Battery charging quirks. A few buyers note that batteries don't always charge on the first try. The fix is to reseat the battery if it doesn't charge immediately. You can also check contacts for dust, just debris. Not ideal for extreme tight spaces. While compact, some users still need extensions for very confined areas. The fix for this is to use a right-angle drill attachment if needed. How it compares to similar drills versus DeWalt 20 Volt Max. The DeWalt has slightly more torque, 300 versus 370 MWO, but is heavier and more expensive. Quarter cable offers better value for casual users versus Ryobi 1 Plus HP brushless drill. Ryobi's battery ecosystem is larger, but quarter cable has a more durable chuck. Quarter cable is better for frequent use versus Milwaukee M18 Fuel. Milwaukee is more powerful but overkill for most DIYers. Quarter cable is the budget-friendly alternative. Final verdict and call to action. The quarter cable. 20-volt, max cordless drill. Driver kit delivers strong performance, long battery life, and solid durability at a reasonable price. While it has minor quirks, like the battery indicator and occasional chuck issues, these are easy to work around. For homeowners, DIYers, and light professionals, this is a fantastic mid-range drill that outperforms many budget options. If you're ready to upgrade your toolkit with a drill that won't let you down, don't wait. Click the link in the description below to get the best available price right now. Remember, tools like this often sell out quickly, especially when they're on sale. So act fast to secure yours today. Would you choose this drill? Let me know in the comments what projects you'd use it for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.